How to turn on or turn off HD video on Zoom app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to turn on or turn off HD video on Zoom meetings. So first thing you have to do, go to Zoom application. This is the home page as you can see. Now you have to go here down below and click on the more option. And right here you will find many options. All what you have to do is choose the meeting option right here and go down. You will find HD video. You can enable it or disable it from here as you want. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end.